Hello everyone, I am Manas Rathi and I am from PICT, and my engineering journey begins at PICT, and where I pursued my Bachelor of Engineering as in ENTC with honors in data science. I worked in a field of machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence throughout my engineering journey, and I demonstrated through my achievements. I had won 4 national level hackathons in the data science domain, and I also completed different internships in that same domain in machine learning. So I will walk through you my journey and what things I do to get opportunities, to attract different opportunities, and what are the different phases and learning of mine. So I will be sharing with you. So I graduated in this year from PICT. I am a 2024 graduate, and I pursued honors degree, a specialized minor degree, 2 years degree in the data science, along with my major degree, that is ENTC from Pune University. And I completed my project internship at Voice Vodafone, where I worked in a highly impactful project of end-to-end hate speech detection, where I deployed web app using Python machine learning and Gradio. And I also worked where in additionally I worked as a machine learning intern at IoT.in, where I employed different deep learning techniques to solve the problem of trash detection. And I developed their EcoVision project, a deep learning based trash detection system for trash detection, where I used TensorFlow and Keras, the machine learning libraries, to do this task. And I achieved an accuracy of around 78% classifying the trash into 6 systems. I also worked as a research internship at Veritas. Uh, this was based on the current technologies of generative AI and cybersecurity. And I will further walk through you in the upcoming slides. And the hackathon achievements are the main part of my learning and exploring various domains. So the voice internship I got through my college, PICT, and throughout the internship I developed end-to-end hate speech detection web app. I employed various external API call through Gradio and Hugging Face libraries. And this application, yeah, basically utilizes Python and machine learning algorithms to classify the speech into different categories. I had kept 3 categories: normal speech, hate speech, and other speeches. Means and It is used to classify hateful speech from the textual data. And the second internship I got through off-campus opportunity. It was my off-campus opportunity. It was a 4 month internship at IoT.in Innovation Labs, where I built a complete end-to-end trash detection system using deep learning and convolutional neural network. It was a very good internship. The learning was great there, and I built a trash detection system, Dockerized my container. Means I applied containerization technique there, and built CI/CD pipeline for continuous. Means I built complete project with industry standards. So the key project is, you can see, where I build end-to-end head speech detection and EcoVision for trash detection system. So the research internship in my final year, I had opportunity to do a research internship with Veritas, and where I worked on security posture detection using large language model. This project was aimed to enhance the network security using the data set which I used, NSLKDD. Basically, it was project which integrates machine learning and cybersecurity together. So I employed generative AI and various techniques for data classification of the attacks which we got through the network. And I utilizes different GenAI and LangChain techniques for doing that. And also at the end, I presented my research paper on security posture detection using LLM at AIP conference and IEEE conference. Yes. It was sponsored internship which I got through my college. So yeah, hackathons are the key. Means I can say that I am always passionate about participating in hackathons and learning something new and collaborate with different people. So far I had participated in over 35 plus hackathons, and on the platforms such as Kaggle and Unstop. And I had won among four national level hackathons in HP Solve. I secured fourth place among 500 teams, and I worked in customer analysis and sentiment analysis and knowledge graph creation. And in kinetic coding, I competed over 300 teams, where I worked in AI power question generator for personalized learning using Bloom's taxonomy. And I also taken part in and won first prize in hackathon Code the Problem by IIT Kharagpur, where I solved different problems in chemical engineering using machine learning and mathematical techniques. So these are my achievements and contribution. The paper presentation at conference and internships I do, and I have developed different projects using generative AI and ML techniques. And over the period of my 4 year engineering, I had participated in 35 plus hackathons, and which led to learn me different techniques and different technologies, and which keep me updated in the current world, and what are the new advancement in the day to day basis. And I also created different projects which I put in my resume on the AI and generative AI methods. So these are the impact I made across my engineering journey. So yeah, thank you for having me, and I like to collaborate and reach to you for anything, and we can collaborate and share knowledge together, and let's explore different technologies together. You can reach me at 23 manasrati at gmail.com or my LinkedIn page.